Good morning and good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Viber's activation field, which means whenever you try to log in into your Viber account or create yourself a Viber account, you need to enter your phone number. And after you enter your phone number, Viber sends you a SMS code on your SMS, or basically a OTP code on your phone's SMS, whichever phone number you entered over there. Now this is done in order for Viber to verify if that number belongs to you or not. So once you receive that SMS code and you type that code in like your Viber, and Viber verifies that's the code like Viber sent you, then Viber is going to believe that that phone number belongs to you. So that's why you need to complete this verification process. But it says verification failed, verification failed. Now there's multiple ways on how you guys can fix this. Follow the step and just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, this problem occurs if you try to log in into your Viber multiple times within a day. So let's say you try to send yourself code 10 or 20 times within a single day, then this is not gonna work. And how you guys can solve it is basically just delete your Viber, not like your Viber account. Just delete your Viber app on your phone and reinstall your Viber app and try to send yourself a code again. It should work. If it still did not work, then what you need to do is basically wait for 24 hours or wait for 16 or 17 hours and try to relog in into your account by trying to sending yourself a code again, and it should work. And the other reason behind why this problem is if your phone's network is not working properly. If your phone's network is not working properly, your phone can't receive that SMS code, because Viber would have sent that code, but due to your poor internet connection or like your poor network connection, the code has not yet been received by your cell phone company or by your phone. So that's the problem. So make sure like your internet connection is stable and your network connection is also stable. And by reinstalling your Viber, if it still did not work, make sure to go to your app store and check if there's any update on Viber or not. So you can go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Viber over here. Once you search for Viber, if it says open, it means it's up to date. If it says update, you gotta click on that update button and update your Viber. After doing all this step, you should be able to fix a problem of activation code not coming up. And if I helped you guys in any way, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.